Hello everyone, I am Yemi. This is Pause. Oh, sorry about that. And welcome to my review of Everlane. If you don't already know me, I have my own YouTube channel where I do reviews, aesthetic research videos, and just general fashion tips and styling tips and all that. So go ahead and check that out if you want to. Let's get right to the review. So I purchased this cocoa brown coat from Everlane. As you can see, it's pretty long and pretty sturdy. It is 100% cotton, and I ordered it in a size 6 instead of my usual size 4 because I wanted it to fit me a little bit oversized. The package arrived about 5 days after I ordered it, and it just has this cute little Everlane at the top here. Fairly sturdy, and there was also plastic wrap inside. So the reason why I was really excited about this product and in general about Everlane is because they are supposedly sustainable and ethical. They do basic clothes and very classy, timeless pieces like black turtlenecks, white cardigans, things like that. The really cool thing that I noticed about the website is that firstly you can check the exact measurements of each of the products. So for example, with my coat, I wanted to go oversized because even though it would have fit me perfectly fine as a size 4, I wanted a slightly larger size, and so I checked the measurements to see how much oversized I needed to go. So I only sized up to a 6 instead of an 8, for example. You can also see what the product is made of. In my case, this is 100% cotton and also water resistant. Now, when you go onto the website, you will actually see that they have a section there where you can see where the product has been made. So you can, for example, in my case, see that the product was made in a factory in Vietnam. You can read about recent projects and in general just see more photos, see how these clothing pieces are actually being made. I appreciate that personally because I am trying to be more ethical in my clothing choices, so seeing the actual workers behind the scene is really important to me. They also have a section for reviews on their website. I do recommend that you look at these reviews because I do think they give a better understanding of what the fit is like on each person, and they also tell you what size they're wearing, what size they bought, and so forth. There was also another product that I considered buying before this. Unfortunately, as I was ordering that product and as I placed my order, it got cancelled. So I got an email maybe about an hour or two later where they just said they cancelled my order. I got a refund immediately. It was very, very effortless. I didn't have to worry about it, but it was a little bit of a fuss that I took my time to order this product only to find out, oof, they don't have it in stock anymore. Then again, this is very understandable for ethical brands because they cannot keep mass producing clothing like fast fashion would. The shopping experience in itself, I would say, was pretty effortless, and if you pay for over $100, I think the shipping is free. Size exchanges and returns looks like are also pretty straightforward. I personally am not returning this coat because I like it, but if you did want to return something, it's a pretty straightforward process, and they have a whole link for their returns when they send you an email about your order being completed and ready to ship. As for the product, I think this product was about $130. Is it worth the price for me? I think so. This is the first time I've seen such sturdy cotton. And like when I mean sturdy cotton, I mean like it has the lining inside, it has an inner pocket. It's very hard feeling when you put it on, but I think that's just because of the material. It does feel like really good quality though, so I do think that this is worth the price. So considering all of those facts, I'm going to give Everlane a 4 out of 5. Why is Everlane not getting 5 out of 5? Well, that is because of sizing inconsistency. Sizing inconsistency is pretty common on most websites. The nice thing about this is that if the sizing is inconsistent, you will know if you look at the measurements. However, if you're the type that you just want to buy straight on the go and you don't want to measure your entire body to figure out if this piece of clothing fits you, yeah, it might be a little bit annoying. So, you know, some things will fit a bit more oversized and some things will fit true to size. The only other thing I would mention is that not all of their products are eco-friendly, which means that they have had some leather and some wool on their website. So if you are a really eco-friendly person, you might want to look elsewhere or just shop for the items that you know are definitely not made of leather and so forth. In conclusion, I think I will keep shopping at Everlane. This jacket definitely makes me feel like a confident New Yorker that I totally am. Maybe not. But you know, makes me feel confident. It's pretty thin, so just keep that in mind if you are shopping for something like this. I would just say just read all the descriptions before you buy anything, just so you know exactly what you're getting. And if you want to see more outfit inspiration or videos, then go ahead and check out my Instagram and my YouTube. And I'll see you next time.